Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're holding Shiba Inu, SHIB, in your Trezor hardware wallet and want to move it over to Bitmart for trading or other purposes in 2025, you're in the right place. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the process quickly and safely, so you can get your crypto moving without any hassle. First things first, make sure you have everything ready. You'll need your Trezor device set up, some SHIB tokens in it, and a verified Bitmart account. Oh, and always double-check for the latest updates, as crypto rules can change. Let's dive in. Step 1. Connect your Trezor wallet to your computer using the USB cable and open the Trezor Suite app. If you don't have it, download it from the official Trezor website to keep things secure. Once you're in, unlock your wallet with your PIN for added protection. Step 2. Navigate to the Accounts section and select your SHIB wallet. You'll see your balance there. Take note of it so you know how much you can withdraw. Remember, blockchain transactions aren't free, so factor in network fees, which for SHIB on the Ethereum network might be around a few dollars depending on congestion. Now, for step 3. Head over to your Bitmart account on their website or app. Go to the deposit section, select SHIB, and copy the deposit address. This is super important. Double-check that it's the correct address to avoid losing your funds forever. Back to Trezor. In the Suite app, click on Send for your SHIB account. Paste the Bitmart deposit address into the recipient field, enter the amount you want to withdraw, and review the transaction details. Hit Confirm on your Trezor device itself for that extra layer of security. Step 4. Wait for the transaction to process. This could take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on the network. Once it's done, check your Bitmart balance to confirm the SHIB has arrived. And there you go. You've successfully withdrawn your Shiba Inu. A quick word of advice. Always use hardware wallets like Trezor for long-term storage because they're way more secure than exchanges. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. See you next time.